Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a vintage showdown between two iconic Apple phones, the iPhone 3GS and the iPhone 4. Both are legends in their own right, but which one holds up better in 2024? Let's find out. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. First up, design and display. The iPhone 3GS, released in 2009, has a plastic body with rounded edges and a curved back. It's thicker at 12.3 mm and comes with a 480x 320 resolution display, giving you 163 pixels per inch. On the other hand, the iPhone 4, launched in 2010, brought a major design overhaul. With its sleek stainless steel body, flat glass back and sharper edges, it's just 9.3 mm thick. And the Retina display? A game-changer with 960x 640 resolution and 326 pixels per inch. Now let's talk cameras. The iPhone 3GS has a 3MP rear camera with VGA video recording. It does the job, but the iPhone 4 takes it up a notch. You get a 5MP rear camera with 720 PHD video recording, an LED flash, 5x digital zoom, and a front-facing VGA camera for those early FaceTime calls. Plus, dual microphones for noise cancellation. When it comes to performance, the iPhone 4 is the clear winner. It's powered by the Apple A4 processor running at 1 GHz and has 512 MB of RAM. This makes it noticeably faster and more responsive compared to the 3GS, which has a 600 MHz ARM Cortex-A8 processor and 256 MB of RAM. Both phones come in 8 GB, 16 GB, and 32 GB storage options, so no difference there. Connectivity and sensors? Both phones have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 2.1 plus EDR, and AGPS. But the iPhone 4 adds support for HSUPA data networks on GSM models, and 802.11n Wi-Fi. It also brings a 3-axis gyroscope for enhanced gaming. And don't forget, the iPhone 4 uses a micro SIM, while the 3GS uses a mini SIM. Software-wise, both devices supported up to iOS 7. But the iPhone 4 had better support for later iOS 6 features, and some iOS 7 features, including the introduction of FaceTime. As for battery life, the iPhone 4 offered improvements in talk time, internet use, and music playback compared to the 3GS. So what's the final verdict? While both phones are outdated by today's standards, the iPhone 4 was a significant upgrade. It offers a better experience for basic tasks on the used market. If you're into collecting vintage tech or just need a backup phone, I'd recommend the iPhone 4 if your budget allows. That's it for today's Vintage Showdown. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this comparison and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.